Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, we will write a letter to my sister on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Dear, here write the name of your sister. Happy Raksha Bandhan. As this auspicious day arrives, I am reminded of the beautiful bond we share as siblings. You have always been more than a sister to me. You are my confidant, my source of strength, and my best friend. On this special occasion, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for your love, care, and support. Through the ups and downs of life, you have stood by my side, offering encouragement and guidance. Your presence brings immense joy and warmth to my life. The thread of Rakhi symbolizes the deep connection between us. As you tie it around my wrist, I want you to know that I am always here for you, ready to protect and support you in every way possible. Your happiness and well being mean everything to me. Our memories are etched in my heart and they bring a smile to my face even during the toughest times. Thank you for being the amazing sister that you are. Our bond is unbreakable, and I am grateful for every moment we have shared together. I wish you a joyous and blessed Raksha Bandhan. With love and warmest wishes, write your name.